Hello everyone, this is Maria with WTI, and I am here to present you this product, the Golden Hot Hair Dryer. This is an amazing product, you guys.
I love this product because it's so easy to use. When I'm ready to dry my hair, I just get the hair bonnet out, plug it in, and select the heat level and wait for it to do its job. I also like that it comes with this very conveniently placed holes in the hair bonnet so I don't feel the heat on my skin. I can just sit and relax while I wait for it to dry my hair. And it works really fast. This dryer is also very easy to store anywhere. When I'm done drying my hair, I just have to put the hose, the electric cord, and the cap back into its place and store it. I don't get tired of having to hold a heavy dryer with my hands, so it's also very convenient because of that. And I can actually do something else while I am drying my hair.
This product makes the styling of my hair really easy, and that's my point of view.